Welcome to J.K. Michael's Knowledge Series. And today, we will be discussing Agile Project Management. In the mid-1990s, the Internet was changing the world right before our eyes. The emergence of the Internet led to a significant transformation in the business world. This period saw the emergence of the dot-com industry, which was booming, and the people working in it were under constant pressure to be the first to market with fast-changing technologies. Development teams worked day and night to deliver new software releases before competitors made their companies obsolete. The pace of change at that time, cracks inevitably appeared in conventional project management practices. The traditional methodologies, such as waterfall, did not allow developers to be responsive enough to the market's dynamic nature and to emerging new approaches to business. Development teams started exploring alternatives to these outdated approaches to project management. In doing so, they noticed some common themes that produced better results. In February 2001, 17 pioneers of these new methodologies met in Snowbird, Utah, to share their experiences, ideas, and practices. They discussed how best to express them and suggested ways to improve the world of software development. These pioneers couldn't have imagined the effect their meeting would have on the future of project management. The simplicity and clarity of the manifesto they produced and the subsequent principles they developed transformed the world of information technology and continue to revolutionize project management in every industry, not just software development. Over the next several months, these leaders constructed the following. 1. The Agile Manifesto, an intentionally streamlined expression of core development values. 2. The Agile Principles, a set of 12 guiding concepts that support Agile project teams in implementing Agile techniques and staying on track. 3. The Agile Alliance, a community development organization focused on supporting individuals and organizations that are applying Agile principles and practices. The Agile Manifesto is a powerful statement, carefully crafted using fewer than 75 words. It is a set of 4 values and 12 principles that have since become the cornerstone of Agile project management. The manifesto emphasizes the following values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. The Agile Manifesto values the items on the left more than the items on the right. This means that while there is value in the items on the right, the manifesto places more emphasis on the values on the left. In other words, Agile project management gives more importance to human interactions and collaboration over following strict processes and documentation. It values responding to changes and the ability to adapt over sticking to rigid plans. In summary, the Agile Manifesto and its associated principles have had a profound impact on project management, software development, and other industries. The Agile approach has become a popular methodology for managing projects, and its values and principles are embraced by organizations worldwide. The Agile Manifesto is a concise and authoritative statement that represents a big shift in focus in how projects are conceived, conducted, and managed. The traditional approaches emphasized a rigid plan, avoided change, documented everything, and encouraged hierarchical-based control, while the manifesto focuses on people, communication, the product, and flexibility. The Agile Manifesto represents a new paradigm in project management, where the signers envisioned a focus on individuals and interactions, teams collaborating with customers, and responding well to change. This approach contrasts with the traditional primary focus on processes and tools that often produce comprehensive or excess documentation to comply with contract negotiations and follow an unchanging plan. Agile values are important because research and experience illustrate that individuals and interactions are critical to success. Agile teams focus on people and communication, which research shows can lead to a 50 times increase in performance. Working software is also emphasized over comprehensive documentation because testing for and correcting defects during the sprint can take up to 24 times more effort and cost in the next sprint. Agile teams take a just-in-time approach, planning just enough when needed and adapting the plan to the realities along the way. Customer collaboration is also prioritized over contract negotiation because a dedicated and accessible product owner can generate a 4-fold increase in productivity by providing in-the-moment clarification to the development team and aligning customer priorities with the work being performed. Agile project management techniques have spread beyond software development and even outside computer-related products. Today, People use agile approaches to create products in a variety of industries, including biotech, manufacturing, aerospace, engineering, marketing, nonprofit work, and even building construction. The Agile methodology is especially useful for those who want early empirical feedback on the product or service they're providing. For example, in the manufacturing industry, an Agile approach could help in creating a new product, such as a car, where the focus is on collaborating with customers to get feedback on the product's features and quickly adapting the plan to meet the changing market demands. The team can prioritize testing for defects during the sprint, reducing the cost and effort required in the next sprint, and ensuring that the product meets customer needs. The Agile Manifesto is a set of values and principles for software development that prioritize delivering a working product, collaborating with customers, valuing individuals and interactions over processes and tools, and responding to change. The 4 values of the Agile Manifesto are explained in detail below. Value 1: Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. This value prioritizes the importance of people and their interactions in software development, rather than relying solely on processes and tools. Agile approaches emphasize the value of the human element, focusing on solving problems and encouraging creativity and innovation. By prioritizing people, Agile teams can respond to change and new requirements more easily than teams that are focused primarily on processes and tools. For example, instead of relying on complex project management tools, Agile teams might use a simple conversation to solve a project issue, which can save time and increase productivity.